There is nothing worse than seeing black smoke pouring out of your exhaust or getting a message that your vehicle will be speed limited in 50 miles because of a DEF system fault. If you have pulled code P20CE, you are dealing with a voltage issue in the exhaust after-treatment fuel injector A control circuit. This is specifically for modern diesel vehicles equipped with SCR systems, which use diesel exhaust fluid, or AdBlue, to clean up emission. That injector, often called the doser, sprays fluid into your exhaust stream to break down harmful nitrogen oxides. When the computer sees voltage that is too high on that circuit, it knows it cannot control the dosing properly. This is serious because if the system cannot clean the exhaust, the computer will derate your engine power to prevent pollution, leaving you limping down the road. To fix this, you need to be systematic. Start by looking for technical service bulletins, as these systems are prone to software glitches that a dealer update can fix. If that is clear, go to the physical inspection. You are looking at the injector located in the exhaust pipe. Because it is on the exhaust, the wiring is subjected to extreme heat. It is very common to find wires that have melted against the exhaust pipe or connectors that have become brittle and cracked. If the visual check looks okay, you will need a digital volt-ohmmeter. You're checking for power and ground at the connector. If you have power, but the computer is seeing high voltage, you might have a short to power in the harness. You can also test the injector itself by measuring its resistance. If it does not match the manufacturer's spec, the internal solenoid is toast and you need a new injector. Do not ignore this code hoping it will go away. It will eventually stop the truck from running or clog your DPF, costing you thousands more. It is usually a wiring fix or a bad injector, but precise diagnosis with a meter is key to avoiding unnecessary parts replacement. This system is complex, but checking the basics often reveals the problem.